Welcome back to Kooshdaakaa Garage, everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I know I am, because I'm working on the old Gen 1 Toyota Tacoma, and we're changing out the Throttle Position Sensor, the TPS. Got a genuine Toyota part here. I'll put a link in the description for you. Got it from Amazon for a pretty decent price. As you can see, it's going to be an easy part to change. Only 2 screws and a plug, and it's very accessible in its engine. How do you know you need one? Well, you could have some poor fuel economy for one. Like right now I'm getting about 10 miles per gallon. Surging idle. If you have an automatic, your automatic will have a hard time finding the gears. You have poor acceleration, or like me, when I hit the accelerator, it just bogs down. So instead of going, what? It goes, and what else? I think that's pretty much it. Let me see. You got a little list here. Got me a little list here. Poor acceleration, rough idle, stalling or surging, difficulty shifting gears, an automatic transmission, check engine light, increased fuel consumption, and inconsistent power. Yeah, I think we covered all that. So let's go ahead and get into the installation. So here is our 3.4 liter engine. And the throttle position sensor is going to be right on the throttle body. So as you see, got the plug, one screw here, and another one on the bottom. So I'm going to get you set up, and we'll go ahead and remove that one. Okay, make this easier. Go ahead and remove that vacuum hose there. Okay. So got the hose out of the way here. Go ahead and unplug this. Get that top screw going. Okay, old one out. Go ahead and put this new one in. Plug it back in. Get our hose back on. Bob's your uncle. Alright guys, that is the job. Here's the old one. Could be the original, I don't know. I can't see the print on it anymore. It's all worn off. But I bet you it is the OG unit, and it has 225,000 miles on it, and I'm sure this resistor is toast. That's why it's having poor fuel economy, really bad acceleration. The truck would just bog down every time I hit the fuel accelerator, especially when the truck was warm or hot. And I was getting like 10 miles per gallon, which is pretty atrocious. Peg, the Alaskan Overland rig, I know it has a lot more work on it. But even with that LB7 Duramax, I'm getting about 16 miles per gallon with the camper on it. So this Yoda should be getting closer to that, I'd imagine. It does have the 6-cylinder in there, so they don't get as good as the 4-cylinder, but still, should be getting better than 10 miles per gallon with 32-inch tires. So that's it. That's the job. Hope it helped you out. Super easy thing to change. Relatively inexpensive. Only a couple of screws and a plug, so pitter patter. All right, guys. Catch you on the next one.